Listen up, if you are about to Google Premiere Pro free download crack pre-activated, stop right now. In 2026, those sketchy YouTube videos and torrent sites aren't just giving you buggy software. They are actively loaded with redline stealer trojans designed to steal your saved browser passwords and bank details instantly. If you want the full version of Adobe Premiere Pro today, completely free and 100% legal, look at the top of the description below. I put the official Secure Adobe link right there. Click it and let's get it installed safely. First, click the secure link below to access the official Adobe portal. Click the Start Free Trial button. Pick the plan that fits you, individual or student. Sign in with your Adobe account or quickly make one with your email. Now, it will ask for a payment method, but relax, you are being charged exactly $0 today. The trick is to open your phone right now and set a calendar reminder for day number 6. If you don't want to keep it, cancel before the week is up and your card won't be charged. Finally, download the Creative Cloud desktop app, locate Premiere Pro, and hit Install. Why are we completely avoiding the pirated copies? Because modern hackers are burying silent crypto miners and Llama C2 malware deep inside the installation files. Your antivirus won't even catch it until your PC is lagging and your accounts are compromised. Plus, an offline cracked version completely breaks Premiere's most powerful new features. You literally cannot use the massive 2026 AI tools like Generative Extend or the AI text-based editing because those require a live, authenticated connection to Adobe's servers. By using the official link, you unlock the absolute cutting-edge 2026 toolset, lightning-fast export rendering, and the absolute guarantee that your machine isn't secretly working for a hacker. It's a clean, crash-free editing experience. Grab your free trial from the description, lock in that clean edit, and rest easy knowing your PC is completely secure. But listen, having the official, malware-free version of your editing software means absolutely nothing if your timeline is constantly lagging, dropping frames, and freezing every time you try to play back a simple animation. Out of the box, Adobe's default settings actively bottleneck your computer's performance. Click the video on your screen right now titled 10 After Effects Settings You Need to Change in 2026. Fix lag fast. I am going to show you the exact performance tweaks you need to apply right now to stop the crashing and instantly regain your raw render speed. Click right there to optimize your workflow, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you over in that video.